How to add link to website in Wix Studio. So if you want to add link to your website, it's typically added usually onto the buttons. So I have in here this button. So in order to add a link, you can just click on the element that you want to add that link in. Now let's click right here into our button. So once you have selected your actual button, you should be able to see its settings. You can also see this icon right here, which is the link icon. So you can head over and click on the tab, and that will open this. So as of right now, it's linked, but if it's not linked, you can choose in here this web address in order to add a link to website. Now paste in here the actual link or URL that you want to add. Now it will ask how does it open? It could be new window or current window, and you can also explore the advanced SEO like no referrer, no opener, no follow, and sponsored. For example, if this link is sponsored, you can check this right here. Then click on done. Then as you can see, it's now been added, and whenever people click onto this button, they will be redirected to that link. So that's how you add link to website in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.